Principal, Mrs. Susan Guerrero. To our teachers, parents, classmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good day. We are very happy that you are here to celebrate with us today. When I started kindergarten, I have learned to read, to write, and learn my numbers too. Kindergarten is over now, but I'm not afraid because I know that I'm ready to enter the first grade. To our teachers, thank you for teaching us to read, to write, and count. To our parents, thank you for all love and support. We are not here without you. To my classmates, thank you for sharing 10 months of happy memories that I have shared with you. And most of all, to our God Almighty, for all the strength, patience, courage, nothing shower upon us. It's time to say goodbye and see you in our first grade. Daghang salamat ug maayong buntag. Thank you, Samara Gonzaga G.
Sana umur
The teacher completed the melodious song and tribute song for the parents and teachers. A round of applause, please.